Hello everyone, welcome to the Happy Life Coding. Sorry, I had to ban someone from the chat, and it looks like it doesn't go away from this. No problem. I don't know if I can. Maybe I can reload it. Wait a second. Property. Not that one. Console. Okay, let me share this so you can have a look. Share screen, Inception, and how I can remove that. Sorry. Maybe if I click on the chat or chat 2, yes, this is the one, and I can do like a refresh. Yeah, okay, better. We don't have the previous message, but it should be okay now. And if I type something in the chat, oh, maybe I can ban. Yeah, okay, I could have done that from here. Hello everyone. Okay. And yeah, it should work. Let me see if the Inception works. It works. Great. Okay, so let's continue what we started 24 hours before the stream we're doing today. Let's start Eclipse and the project, because it may take some time to do that. My password is here. My password is something. I don't know. My password is encoded in my hard drive. And let me stop this workspace and start a new workspace with for the project we are going to work on, which is the same one as the previous weeks. So I have it here. So it's JH pages. Let's go. Let's wait a bit so to see, to let some time to Che to load the workspace, and meanwhile I'm going to see what we have done last time. A new window. Go to Happy Life Coding. No, it's not Happy Life Coding. It's JH pages. And JH pages. And as usual, what I do every time is that I'm writing what we have to do next. And I'm not sure I have updated that part. Work in progress. Refactor to properly delete the repo before starting the test. Okay. Okay. So as if I remember, last time we started to write some tests, and the test is actually calling GitHub, but the real GitHub API. and we started to make sure that it is deleting the repo if it does exist. But what I noticed is that we had some delay between the moment where I delayed the project and when I test again, like right away. It's not marked as deleted right away. I have to wait. So I made quickly a kind of retry. So we try 5 times. And if, yes, I start false with retry 5 times. It means that it's gonna make sure it's false. And if not, retry. If there is any problem, retry 5 times. So, and I think something was wrong here in my test. The test was need some unit test, I guess. Okay, so let's see if my the repo has been started. Yeah. Does it need a refresh or something? Oh no, just a bit slow. Let me just 1 sec. I have to switch down my speakers. Wait a sec. I'm going to grab some water. Oh, do you trust the author? Yes, I trust. This is a bug. Yeah. Okay, let me. So give me. So let me see. There's some people in the chat. Where's the chat? Where's the chat? Here. Yeah. No messages. Okay, so I'm gonna take some water. So yes, finally no water, but a glass of wine. Because it is the weekend. Okay. Okay, let's try to run that. I can make it a bit. Can make it a bit bigger. Like that should be okay. Okay, so I'm gonna start it in dev mode, so it should. I should have a way to. I should have a way to have the continuous testing mode. So user Unix and get a password. No idea. And so that will store the credentials in environment variables. And so yeah, let's wait a bit so even downloads the world. It shouldn't be shouldn't take a long time because it's downloading from the data center and should be quite fast. Okay. Okay, so let's try R to resume testing. That would run the unit test, I guess. 1, 2. It's gone. So the idea was to, I don't know what I've done last time. Maybe I fixed the problem. If I rerun it, should be okay all the time. Nice. Yeah, I think it works. Hello, Lego. So last time I was trying to. I think I fixed the problem we had last time, because now every time I run the test, it works. But I don't remember how I did the fix. Yeah, I don't have any problem now, so I can run it as many times as I want. Yeah, I hope GitHub won't ban me because I'm running it with a script, but I'm not. Yeah, so I'm creating a repo and then I'm deleting it. Maybe they will ban me for that. No problem. Okay, so wow, magic bug fix it. Yeah, magic bug. So let's open the test itself and see what we were doing. And that was how I did the assert force. Or maybe so. Basically, I should create a GitHub repo. So it's going to create a GitHub Synix my website 3 with a repo name. So it's going to init the service and then check if the repo exists. If it does exist, it will delete the repo. And then it will make sure that the repo doesn't exist. So assert false. So it makes sure that the repo doesn't exist. Okay, and if it does exist, it would try 5 times with each time 1 second. It would wait 1 second for each iteration, and then it will create the repo, and then we check that the repo exists. Looks like that it is working. What's next? So I think I can mark this as done. README. Let me check the README file. Yeah, I can mark this down as done. testing that repo is testing that create repo is if needed. Then test GitHub Pages branch creation. Okay, so let's do it. Oh, I had that. Let me read that. To create GitHub Pages branch, so it does the initialization, create repo, and yeah, that was the. So I think when we create a repo, when we create a repo from scratch, it should not have a GitHub repo. I can check with Unix, my website free, if there is a GitHub Pages repo branch. Let me do that right now. So soon, maybe like that. And I don't think there is any other branch than main. Yeah. So we're gonna make sure that that works. Okay. I can take the same. Well, the beginning, the same. I'm wondering if I put that in a. I can reuse this method for the initialization, but the problem is that I won't have the. Oh yes, I would have this object. It's been injected, so yeah, I can just reuse it. Maybe not be that clean, but it's okay. Let's do that. Or maybe I should just name that. Create GitHub repo. I will rename it create GitHub repo. That doesn't sound. Yeah. And here, like. You know what? Actually, I think that this has to be internal. I should have just. I should just have. No, I mean this part should be internal. Like. Let me think. Ah! Yeah, it's not easy the Friday evening. Yeah, I've been to the office today. And it wasn't. It was interesting. Yeah, I can share you a picture I've taken. Show that. Yeah, so I opened my my box after almost 2 years not being to the office, and this is what I found. So there is a ping pong racket and 3 bottles of beers that we brewed in the Red Hat office during the. So we have a special week at Red Hat. It's called We Are Red Hat Week, and we have some activities together. And yeah, so these are the last 3 beers I have from that time. Okay, back to the code. Yeah, I would just write down at the moment, like no, I will keep as it was. Yeah, and I would write down what I want to have here. So it should be like beer office backup. Exactly. In case of emergency, there is we can survive. Okay, so setup. I would call it setup repo for test. Right? And that would do the creation of the initialization. Yes, and then before doing that, I will return the next. So making sure there is no branch. And create. Yeah. Okay, let's create that method. And I think I can just reuse that here. It's not clean up. It's not init. It's clean up. That part is clean up. And then yeah. For test, yeah, let's keep it. Test. You see, what I like when I'm doing that is that I'm I'm focusing more about the naming than the the code itself, because this is very important. So when you read it, when I'm coding, I'm trying to I try to not to make it readable, even if it's not perfect. But yet it's something that I'm not just coding and making sure that it works. I'm just trying to make sure that people who would read it would understand. So this is why I think naming the functions and methods and classes are very important. We spend a lot of time reading the code of that from other people, and it's important to have like this kind of thing that is clean and readable. Then I'm not saying I'm doing perfect code, but I'm trying to stick to that. So create repo for nobody is perfect. Create repo for test. Clean up repo for test. Create repo for test. Okay. Yes. I'm not sure if it's perfect, but I can change it later. And then I can do like what does that return? Boolean. I think I can do something like assert false. Okay. I can leave a message like okay. And then create the repo. What no rejection? And that come on. No, create branch. Branch name. I think that should be something that should be like create GitHub pages branch. And what is folder? It's strange. Oh, I have something like check out GitHub pages branch. Interesting. You see, even if I have coded, so I had something that was working more or less, but I don't even remember how I was doing that. So it means that things are not clear. But at least if we make it right, we can refactor more easily. Okay, we still have half an hour. Let me have a small break. I'm going to fill up my my glass. Okay, back on track. Remove that. It's useless. Then create GitHub pages branch. Let me check something before we continue. Shoot. Interesting. I'm checking on Twitter and I see that Diego, you know what was the referring to. Oops. Okay, so warning, empty class exception. Yeah, exactly. So create GitHub pages branch, and then I have to check. But I'm not sure if the checkout is doing everything. Let me check here. The thing is, that we do things locally, but that is checking locally as well. So I think. Let me try. Let me try. Yeah, let's give a try. It should be assert through. I have it. Oh, okay, it's not complaining. So after checkout should have been created. I don't know. It doesn't mean really. After checkout, it should so GitHub branch should have been check it out. Then I had to implement that methods. Control that create method and create method and cleanup. I would take this part. Cleanup. Come on. Wait, minutes. Okay. Come on. Cleanup repo for test and then thing is missing. So I have to put that in a parameter, then okay, and then I should also create the repo. So same thing here. Let me do some not refactor format. Does it make sense? Can do something like that. What? And that's okay, that's okay. Sorry, I'm creating and that's okay. And ooh. Sometimes it's I think I don't know why I feel like it's not that reactive. So Chair is a bit late when it's proposing the suggestions. I feel like it's not as smooth as it was before. Okay, let's see the messages on the chat. There is some message latents. Damn. M13. M13? What is M13? M13. Lego. Okay. Let me continue. Ooh! 2 test pass. Back on track. And I think if I... Let's see if it works if I remove this. Free test pass. Nice. No. Ah, no. No. I was talking too fast. 1 test fade, 2 passing. What? Yes, but is that expected? An error occurred while trying to do something in the repo. That's... Let me try to find the... this sentence. What a nice surprise. Come on. And there. Oh, I see. Okay. Oh, okay, that wasn't the right. So in one case, it does exist, so we use checkout, and the other case, it doesn't exist, we create an orphan GitHub Pages branch. Interesting. I think what I'm going to do is put that thing in private or protected. Private or protected? Let's put in private for now. And let's do like check out GitHub branches branch. So that should be the main method. I will call it checkout existing GitHub Pages branch. And then if it would be like checkout existing. If the branch is it, checkout existing, and otherwise checkout orphan the branch. That should work. What was the name? GitHub Pages branch. Yeah, I think that's I have to be careful because here I think it's okay. But why was I doing that? In one case I had okay, so Lego, some messages from Lego. There is some message at me too. Line 13, of course. Oh, sorry. Nice. Nice. What time is it? Okay, almost 7. We have roughly 10 minutes to go. Yes, but it is good that now the network is it looks like a lot better than how it was some times ago. So yeah. So I think now we can the network is good in the metro. You can Almost the money time. Yeah, you can in the metro. You can have the internet without not that much problems. It's really nice. Okay, money time. Yeah, you're right. So I think this is not good. I should just check out. Say I check out, and if I just do the checkout, and it would do it from if it does it will use the existing one, and otherwise. So I can just here do like yeah, I don't care if. Oh yes, I care, but what is copy and content? Am I doing that in any cases? Yeah, I think. Oh, let's see. I think I should do that in any cases, anytime. So why is this failing? Never occurred. What should this? I... Yes, okay. I got check out. So that should be okay. No, I'm lost. Let me see the method. So checkout the pages should do either that or that. Okay. Oh. Okay. Let me try to rerun because I wasn't running. Rerun. Come on. Rerun. Hello. It's not doing anything or what? Or is there a way to have a like something is wrong. I'm going to restart. I don't know what's wrong. Token, my passphrase. Yes, Lego. Is there something around you, like watching the screen next to you in the metro? Like, what is he doing? He's watching someone coding. Let's run the test. Let's run the test. Okay. A create branch. So it failed to create the to run that. Should create the branch. Lost. null pointer exception. Okay. So check out orphan GitHub pages. Check out orphan. Line 273. It says that 73 and set orphan. What was null? Interesting. What if I put a breakpoint? I don't know if it's going to work or not. I do that and I do run. Can I say debug? Debug. More option. H. I don't know what's going on. Anyway, we run. Some people may have seen my screen, perhaps futures viewer. Okay, so it's there's a null pointer exception. The problem is that I have no idea which line it is. So let me do something smart. So, I don't know if it's I don't know if it's smart, but it's just to get the right line. You see, this is how I force the formatter to go to have return. Yes, return a new line. So if I do like format document, yeah, we keep it. And now if it runs again, I should have the right line. I should know what's null. There's null pointer exception. To check out. Okay, so Git is null. Why? Why Git is null? How? Oh, I need to do that. Interesting. So maybe it has to be part to the init, right? Line commenting to force line return. I do it almost all the time. I don't like a horizontal scroll. Yeah. The thing is, sometimes, yeah, some people are just wondering what it is. So there's some people who are doing something like that. \n to me, so it means that it's to let people know that this is just for to have a new line. What time is it? We have 3 minutes. I want to fix that. I'm going to stay, I think, until I fix that. But I think my code is so It's so dirty that I'm lost in all the things. I think this tests are going to be good in any case because it's gonna help me to clean up the code. It looks simple, but finally, we can easily go into spaghetti code, and this is how. In few hours, I managed to write a lot of methods and everything, but not even know what it is. Get our clone project. Get our clone git project. Okay, so after the create repo, I can do that. Yeah, I think this is what is missing. But maybe it has to be part of the create repo. So you create a repo, you should clone it, right? I'm just checking if oh, okay. Okay, so what's wrong now? Okay, what's wrong now? We are out of time. In 64. But how is it doing? So this it's actually failing here. But yeah, it cannot work. I will rename it. It's because it is checking the remote repo where we have only the local one. Or should I push my changes? Maybe. Ah, yeah, I can do that. If it doesn't exist, it create an orphan repo and it does the push. So for instance here, in set of when I create the orphan method, let me check the orphan branch. This is just local, but I can push maybe. Something that so I can push. Often. Check out often. Often. And like format. And still failing. Okay. Still failing. I want to finish that. Why is it not pushing? Or maybe I should wait a bit. So let me check if it has been pushed. Like refresh here. Maybe my check is not good. No, there's no. Maybe it needs something. Because the often branch needs something that you commit. Yeah, so I won't do the push. I will just do some different check. Let's do like that. That often I won't do the push, but I'm going to do something different in the test. So it was create GitHub repo. No, it was that one. I'll set through. So I think this one I would rename it. Check remote GitHub page. Pages branch exists. What did I do? Rename symbol. Oh, okay. Check. Remote the pages. That's clear. So obviously, if I check out the GitHub branch, it doesn't mean that it has been. So this test is not good. So GitHub low code. To check local GitHub pages branch exist. So that should be the name of the method that we want to write. I guess I have to write it. Doesn't exist yet. That's fine. But that, yeah, it should be done. Okay. Check here, check look at this. So how can I do that? I can do something like how do I get the current branch list? Branch. How do I do that? This is ridiculous. Oh, yeah, there's no get repo. That's the branch. Let's try something like that. Equals and with like get branch. I don't know if it's gonna work, but cannot convert. Ah, why it is the why? That's not true. Why it is the Boolean supplier? It's a Boolean. But it's Boolean. They're all Boolean. I don't know why it. And Dutch maybe, of course. This is what I hate in Java. The exception. The check it exception. Sometimes you don't care. Most of the time you don't care about this. Check local branches. Oh, I don't know if you've seen it's green again. It's nice. It means that it works. So it means that is working. So I think we are done. Then I would need to do another test with working with a repo where there is already an existing. Yeah, let's commit. You're right. Add -p. Oh, I have to. I'm going to update the README first. Test GitHub pages branch creation. Yeah, that's okay. I need to do something else next time. Is like test push content and test. It means that when you have something to push, GitHub pages test push new content. So there's one case, and the other case is test push changes on existing content. That are the different cases. So you have already a website, you want to update it, or it means that the GitHub pages already exist. Or the second case is that it's new, it doesn't exist, so you push the changes for a new content. Right. Git add -p, so I can check everything that I'm committing. So this is okay, I can accept that. Widespread. I have to clean up the imports, I think. Like organize imports, clean up, and here as well, I guess. Can do git add -p. So there is some things that are going away. That's okay. So I renamed that. GitHub pages branch exists, and it's called now check remote GitHub pages branch exists. So differentiate the remote and local. Then that thing, yeah, that was just refactoring and cosmeting, and yeah. Carrot return. I don't think there's much differences. Oh, I did the anti-slash n, the backslash n. But there's that new line. Maybe I can just quit and remove that thing. Where's the file? It's in GitHub service. Don't need that. Git add -p, and yeah. So get or clone Git project when we are creating the repo. Anyway, yeah. Then check out GitHub pages branch is doing the checkout of the existing GitHub pages branch or checkout of some, depending on branch exists or not. Yes. Then this is okay. Why? Oh, it's not formatted. Format. Where was that? The test or what? GitHub service. Let me format the whole document. Format document up. So I turned that private. I have to do a cleanup as well as for the method visibility. So take that one. Why is okay? Okay, I take that. I don't like the red. It means that I have empty. This is the test or what? Main. The main method. Main class. Line. Which line? 42. Why do I have that? Something like that. Yeah, that's better. That's okay. I rename. That's okay. Our imports. And that's okay as well. What's that? Test. In the test, I have a line. I thought I had that up. I can just do like. I can just format as well. File. Format document. Format. Okay. I accept. And I accept this admin method. And I'm done. Work in progress test. Refactor. GitHub size. Yeah, that's fair enough. And then I'm gonna push it. So name. And that's it for me. So that's now it's weekend. Yeah, it's I'm 30 minutes over the time, but that was. I think I'm happy to finish that today. I'm not sure to be there next week. Why? Because I think I have something with my my children at school, so I won't be there. I think. I'm not sure if it's this week or the next one, but yeah, I will keep you in touch anyway. So yeah, thank you for attending. Let me switch the screen to the bigger screen. Yeah, have a good weekend. And yeah, see you next time. Bye bye.